Hello, and thank you for choosing NEXTCEL. In this video, we'll review some basic functionality of your NEXTCEL walkie-talkie. The most important part of the radio is, of course, the push-to-talk button. This button is located on the left side of the radio. It must be held down while you are talking. It's recommended that you push the button down and wait 1 second before talking to avoid being cut off. The other buttons on this side of the walkie-talkie turn on and off the backlight of the screen. The next important part of your radio is understanding the menus and how to access the menus. You can control the menu by using the 6 buttons on the front of your walkie-talkie. You can move the up and down arrows to highlight items and the green and red items to select or go back. The first important menu is the channel menu. Your radios support multiple channels as well as private calls. You can change your current channel by simply selecting the left menu, then selecting the general settings and the channel selection. You can scroll up and down for the channel or user you're looking for and use the green button to select. When done, you can use the red button to back out to the main screen. There are other options in this menu for advanced users, but it's best to mostly leave them alone unless you know specifically what you are doing. On the right side of the screen, there are more general settings. You can select those options by using the P2 button and moving the highlight with the arrow keys, and again selecting your option with the green button. The most important settings are the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, call log, and factory reset. You can add a Wi-Fi connection to improve connectivity and quality. This isn't required, but in some cases is nice to have. You can also pair a Bluetooth-compatible headset to your radio and use that as an alternative to the main speaker. We also offer a wired version headset that is compatible with your walkie-talkie. Not all headsets are compatible with NEXTCEL walkie-talkies. If you want to see who was the last to transmit or who was the last person to reach out to you, the call log is a handy tool. Here you can see anyone you might have missed recently. All the way at the bottom of the right menu, you can scroll down to the factory reset option. If you have followed all of the other troubleshooting steps like removing the battery and your walkie-talkie is still having trouble working, this is a great place to start. When you select factory reset and confirm, the walkie-talkie will reboot and contact the server for the most recent settings. This should solve any issues that might arise. That concludes the basic on radio software introduction. Almost all of our technology is server-based to keep the actual device simple, secure, and functioning properly. We hope you are enjoying your NEXTCEL network walkie-talkie experience.